share the road.
Yeah, we need to share.
Hello.
Hello.
Man, and this set of stairs is even steeper. I would say 45 degrees. This is probably 70, 80 degrees steep. Wow, look at that. Now you get all three. Look at that. Oh man, wow. Quiet, but I mean, it's obviously not crowded. That's for sure. All right, first up, Kanto Lampo. Stop number 2, Goa Rangreng. They give you a little stick. You need to have a stick as you're walking in some areas. So I decided to go ahead and hire our guide. What's your name again?
My name is Putu.
Putu.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
no, thank you.
Yeah. No, not.
Yeah. How old do I think it is? Let me see. Look at those carvings. Wow. I'm gonna say 1,000 years.
That's good answer. Yeah, all of this carving is only one person make, and he's from my village. It's around 7 years ago.
7 years.
Yes.
Wow. And he did it himself.
Only one person. Make.
One person did all this carving.
Yes.
Wow, that is amazing. Look at the detail on that. Wow. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at Can you hold that? Yeah, thanks. That is just amazing. First stop coming through here. We're going to head down to see the swings, and then we'll head over to the Goa Rangreng Waterfall. Now I see why you need the stick. It is really, really rocky when you come in here. Wow. So peaceful. All right, so now we got to go ahead and get into the water and leave all your stuff on back there. Your guide will take all the important stuff. So if you don't know that going ahead, you know, you're going to end up leaving some of your valuables behind, because you're going to have to get in this water here to get to the next stop.
You want to do what?
Cannonball.
Like this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yoo-hoo!
right now it's 9 a.m. There's only 2 other people here.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. This is absolutely insane. You can have this place here by yourself. This place is a hidden gem. You must visit Goa Rangreng for sure, 100%. Now we're off to the Tegenungan Waterfall again. I hope I pronounced that right. I'll write it all in the descriptions below. But I'm good right now. Maybe on the way out though. Yeah, thank you. So you got to get your hand stamp as you get down there, and you walk through all this little shopping center and head down to the waterfall. Yeah, so if you don't want to go all the way down there, you can go ahead and get a great picture from up here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's gorgeous. Well, there's definitely not many people here, but looks like possible wedding ceremony over there. Oh, bridal photos. Nice. And then to get across, I'm sure if the water's high, you're walking across these here. And I saw a couple videos, you know, if it gets crowded, and today there's hardly anybody here, you know. So you're gonna walk across this little bridge here, bamboo. Oh, hello now. Very safe. And then, oh, look at that. We get to see a beautiful bride today. Yeah, I'm not going in the water. I'm kind of tired, but that's just spectacular. You can't get to the waterfall because they got a rope in front of it. So this is close enough. I mean, I don't know how lucky I've gotten. I'll tell you what, there's like nobody here. I mean, my goodness. 40, 50 people maybe at the tops. So we're gonna take a couple more shots and then off we go. So another set of stairs you're gonna get to the upper level viewpoint. So that's where we're off to now. All right, well, I am 100% glad that I did not cancel this one. So we got to see so many different things. There wasn't too many people here when I got here. Now there's probably 100 people or so. But got to watch a beautiful newlywed couple from China take their wedding photos. So, wow, that was a blessing just in and of itself being out here for that. All right, next stop and final stop of our waterfall tour is Uma Anyar. All right, so the last stop of the day here is at Uma Anyar. So it's a nice little dirt path. I don't think it's going to be hard, so that's the reason why I chose this to be the last stop of our waterfall adventure while we're here in Bali, especially here up in Ubud. I just love walking through you know, the forests and paths and all that, and you just get to stop. Sometimes you get so caught up in the destination that you miss, you know, just some of the beauty, you know, that's around you in the trees. So it's this one here. I think it's going to be a nice, easy walk. At least I'm hoping so. Here is our entryway down into the waterfall. Well, maybe I spoke a little too soon, eh? But 50 meters, not too bad. It is nice that, you know, on one side they added these extra steps here, you know, because it does take a lot out of you when you go down a step that's around 18 inches tall or so. It does take a lot of work and pounds those legs. So it's nice at this one here at Uma Anyar that they have these additional steps on the left-hand side. Wow, not many people here. Whoa! What? Hey, one more time. Hey. Bonus coverage. Oh, yay! Woo. Time to come out. All right, so waterfall day is over. I can say that I probably bit off more than I can chew, but I've always been known to be an overeater. So, and I hope you enjoyed that waterfall adventure that we had. And I tell you what, if you're in Bali, waterfalls have to be at the top of the list of things to come and see while you are here, especially here in Ubud. So I hope you can subscribe to our channel. I did a lot of work. Push that like button. Give me some comments. Push the notification bell. And as always, you know what, guys? Keep dreaming, but travel safe. I'll talk to you later.